Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Diwali is celebrated all over the world. Deepavali literally means group of lamps lighted together. In Sanatana Dharma, lighting of lamps has great importance. Every function starts by lighting the lamp, and the presence of a lighted lamp is very, very essential for any Vaidika karmas. Agni Sarva Devadaha. In fire, all the Devadas' presence is there. So once the lamp is lighted, all the Devada will come there. This Diwali celebration is entirely focused on the lighting of lamps. When Sanatana Dharma says any celebration, it will have two aspects. One is the worldly level, material level celebration, and the other one is the Atmiya level, Atmic level, spiritual level, prayers and practices. Unfortunately, nowadays, most of the people have ignored the spiritual side and only following the material way of celebration. Let us try to understand the secret behind Diwali celebrations as well as the science behind the Diwali celebrations. What most important practices we have to do on Diwali day? One is to have bath before the sunrise, to take an oil bath before the sunrise, if possible in the hot water, is recommended as most important practice. The second one is the Lakshmi Puja. So we will try to understand why we have to practice this. Taile Lakshmi Jale Ganga Deepavalyam Chaturdashim Pradasnanam Kuryat Yamalogam Napashyadi. This is what the Shastra says. One who takes bath on the Diwali day before the sunrise with oil, then they don't have any sufferings in Yamaloka. That is, all their pava will be removed and they won't go to Yamalogam. Because in oil, the presence of Lakshmi is there. In water, the presence of Ganga is there. This is what Shastra says. So let us try to understand the science behind this. Most of the Hindu or the Sanatana Dharma based festivals come on the full moon day. But Diwali is coming on the Chaturdashi or Amavasi day. In fact, Diwali is called Naraka Chaturdashi. And mainly, the most important aspect is it comes on the Swadhi Nakshatra day. Swadhi Nakshatra is a unique nakshatra which mainly focuses on the freedom. If we analyze the meaning of Swadhi Nakshatra in Amarakosham, Svaneti Ateti, that is what the Amarakosha says. That object which moves as it likes, the meaning comes like that. So this nakshatra has got great freedom. what is the specialty on the Diwali day is that as it is new moon, there is no power for the moon, and in the month of Tula, sun is in its Neecha Rashi, is in debilitation. So there is no special power for sun and moon. Sun is the Atma Karaka and moon is the Karaka of mind. So, as the mind as well as the Jivatma doesn't have much power, the Purva Janma Punya Papa and Prarabdha doesn't work much on this day, whereas the Swati Nakshatra has got a great capacity to move according to the free will. So, a special kind of cosmic energy is created on that day, so that if we do prayer of Mahalakshmi on that day, the energy level in the atmosphere will help us to create a kind of willpower in us, which will definitely make us able to attain our desires. So on that day, if we take an early morning bath, that will give special kind of power to our mind and body. The bath will help us to fight against our pabas as well as the diseases of the body, so that the mind and the body will be very strong enough to attain our willpower, attain our desires. I have to do puja of Mahalakshmi by praying to Mahalakshmi, so that all our desires we will be able to successfully attain, and through the blessings of Mahalakshmi we will be able to lead a prosperous life. As well as the Swati Nakshatra has got a special power to end all our sufferings. The mantra of Swati Nakshatra itself says that Tanno Devaso Anujanandu Kamam Yatha Tare Madhuritani Vishwa. So, the prayers to Mahalakshmi as well as the early morning bath on that day will help us to get out of all the sufferings due to our Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha and the Purva Janma Pabas, and also because of the special cosmic effect on that day, we will get the willpower to do the things successfully and attain success and prosperity in life. Other than this, the Diwali celebration starts from the Dwadashi itself, Govassa Dwadashi. On that day, one have to do Go Puja, because the Go Puja will help us to remove the Pabas, as well as since the Sanidhyam of Mahalakshmi is there in the cow, that will very much help us to attain the prosperity. Then you have to light the Yamadiba on Trayodasi night. The lamp should burn throughout the night for the removal of Abamrityu due to the Pabas done in the previous birth. And as well as on the Diwali day, one have to light as many lamps as possible by praying for the removal of Pabas, and also to get the blessings of Lakshmi to attain the prosperity. And one have to do the Deepadanam. So these are all the main practices we have to do on the Diwali day. Have to do early morning baths with oil before the sunrise. Have to do Mahalakshmi Puja in the evening. Then have to light the Yamadibam on Trayodasi night throughout, and also have to light as many lamps as possible on Diwali day and pray to Mahalakshmi for our prosperity and well-being. Thank you.